exciting video. If this is your first time on this channel, just go ahead and smash the subscribe button, like the video, check below this the description of this video. You see our community. Just go ahead and join our community. It's a moving community. You can always ask questions or ask anything. You always have somebody that will always answer you. So go ahead and join the community. You're welcome. So in this video, I'll be talking about Custard. How you can make $10 from Custard in a day. Everything you need to do, the tips, the trick, how you can also withdraw your money. I'll be showing you everything on this platform. So before you go ahead and register, make sure you have a UK number. Which you'll be using to register on this platform. So all you need to do is to go to joincustard.co.uk. So just go to joincustard.co.uk. So on you'll be taken to this web page here. So all you need to do is to enter your first name, enter your email, enter your first name, your last name, your email, then choose male or female, then click on start earning today. So just register with them. But as for me, I've done the registration because I don't want this video to be too long. So I've done my own registration. I'm already registered on this platform. So let me quickly enter my email in order to make this a bit faster. So I'll be entering my email. So they've sent me verification. So this is it. So I will copy the link, get back to the page. So I'll paste it here. Then yeah, so I'm logging in. So just click on login. Now when you're on this page, after registration, you'll be given 50 pence there. You'll be given 50 pence. So that 50 pence is actually in your balance. So but what you need to concentrate mostly when you're on Custard is to mostly concentrate on Rapid Pay. Try to spend most of your time on Rapid Pay. This is it here. Try to concentrate mostly on Rapid Pay. Rapid Pay has they have tags that are even way more easy for you to. They are way more easy for you to do. Now when you see tags like this, spin, spin, get 60 whatever to spin, get free, so anywhere you see spin, yeah, like something like this, no deposits. When you see a place where they are telling you that there is no deposit, but you'll be getting free spin. Now all these tags are very easy to do. It doesn't really give you much stress. You can also engage tags like this also. Get the best free spin offer with Free Spins Genius. So engage platforms like this. Very important. Engage platform like this. So what you need to do, okay, let's try one of them out. So okay, let me start with this 50 pence and see how it goes. So don't forget, we have a lot of them to work on. So when you click on that tax, try as much as possible to always check how to claim. Always check this place out, check this section out, how to claim. So let's click on it. So now when you click on it, to show you step 1, you're asked to head to Free Spin Genius. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to sign up. What do you need to do next? Take an offer to claim your bonus. So these are what you're expected to do. So by the time you're able to fulfill all these conditions, your points will start. This thing will change from get offer to pending. It will be in pending. So take note of that. It will become pending, and your offer will be added to you. So all you need to do is click on redirect now in order not to waste time. So you wait for it to load. So here they're asking us to register. So registration requires re-entering our email. So you click on to confirm. So allow. So okay, let me accept all this one. So after that, you click on submit. I click on submit. So after you click on submit, they're asking you to now these are the different offers that are here. So let's try and see if we can just click on one of them. Okay, let's try out this one and see. try that one out and see. Now we have clicked on that one. I guess I should believe that your that particular offer should be concluded there already. I believe that offer should be concluded there already. That offer should be concluded there already. So let's go back to the page where we were asked to. Can you see they said great job? So you've been indicated, has shown great job. So after that you close it. Now this thing, when it is validated, this clicked will turn to this click will turn to pending. So always watch out, this thing will turn to pending. Click to pending to show that it is being validated, to show that your click is being validated. If it's not showing you pending, that means there's a problem. So that means you have to go back and check what you've done. So let's quickly check out the second one again. Let's check out the second one. So let's see how to claim. Also they ask you to sign up for free spin game. You have to claim your offer by choosing any branded lists, any brand listed. So I think that, so let's quickly try this one out and see how this one goes also. So you click on redirect now. Click on redirect now. Now this one, they're asking us to register. So all you need to do is to enter your name. So let's just type money tips. So in the email, let me use this email. Then in the number, let me quickly use my Z number and see. Let me use this Z number. So you just get your number ready for this registration. This is where you need your number. So when you're registering on this platform, you need a number to run it. So you need a number to run it. So all you need to do, you can probably remove this +4 rather and add 07. Let's see if it will go down. If it doesn't go, we add the +4 back. Let's see. Okay, accept. So let's accept the terms and conditions. So let's go to the next thing. So let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, we've registered already. So they're asking us to click to claim. So you just click on can you see your click to claim? So this is where you claim your spin. This is where you claim your spin. So just click on it. This one is £1 5 pence. £1 5 pence. So let's click on this, tap to claim. Let's click on tap to claim. So I believe at this point we should be able to get our this thing already. Our point should start loading already at this point. So let's go back to where we came from. So as you can see, it has also indicated great job. So telling you that you have successfully done it. So in the long run, this one will change from being clicked to change from being clicked to pending. So always watch out for it. This one, it will indicate pending, so watch out for it. So so it's as simple as that. Just keep on working on them, keep on working on those. Just put your criteria, just work within this criteria, this rapid pay. This is where you see that there's so many here, so you will still see so many of them. This is another one. This £1. This £1. You can unlock. This is another one here. There's another one there. So this is another one here. Just make sure that there's no deposits. Make sure there's no deposits when you're checking them out. So if you can even go to the next page. You can go to the next page. So at this page, you're being asked to earn up to 4,000 per month from home. So this one is just for you to, I think this one is to register. This one is registering. So this place, you'll be given this 50 pence when when you register. So that one is as simple as that. The same thing applies to this place. This one also, you will receive this particular point when you also register on the platform. And make sure you go ahead and check out the tags you are being asked to do. Let me quickly show you. Make sure you follow the tags. Listen to what can you see. Step 1, you're asked to what? Head over to My Happy Street. What do you have to do next? You're asked to complete the simple tags. That is the simple sign up form. Very simple. So the next thing you have to do is to be in with a chance of winning every day. So that one is another thing. Then after, when you've done that, you will receive your points. It's as simple as that. So this one makes life very easy. This is another one here also, in instant cash with paid survey. So this is another option you can also do to get your points. Also this one, you can also carry out this one to get your points. Okay, you can carry out that one to get your points. So just keep coming here. They will keep updating whatever is here. They will keep updating it. Now we started off with my balance. Now I want you to look up here. We started off with my balance being at 0.5. Now just those two tags that I've done now, my balance has moved from 0.5 pence to £2.65 pence. So you can see that those two, just the two tags I showed you. Now look at the result it gave me immediately, instantly. So this is what you should be doing. Mind you, this place here will continue being updated. You will keep seeing updates here. So just imagine if I decide to attempt all these things today, my points, I will have gotten up to 10. This one will be up to 10. I will have gotten up to 10 pounds already today. This will have been up to 10 already today. As simple as that. So let me quickly show you in terms of withdrawal. Let me show you what to do when you are withdrawing. Withdrawing aspects. Very, very important. I can't forget that one. Now, withdraw on this place requires just two ways. You can withdraw either using PayPal, or you can withdraw either using bank withdrawal. So now these are the things you need to understand. If you're withdrawing with PayPal, now you must understand that the email you use to register on this platform must correspond with the email on your PayPal. I repeat, the email you are using to register on this platform must correspond with the email on your PayPal. That is the name. The name have to correspond. So please do not make that mistake. If you are withdrawing with PayPal, make sure that it is the same email on Costa that is also on PayPal. You need to know that. Make sure that the name corresponds. The name on your email corresponds with your name on Costa. Very, very important. And make sure that you are withdrawing with a proper UK PayPal, not any other country. If not, it will be a problem. Make sure it is a PayPal, UK PayPal. Then the second one is, if you want to withdraw with bank, if you are withdrawing with the second option, which is withdrawing with bank, you need to understand that you have to make sure that it is the same thing. The bank must also correspond with the bank. Also, the name on the bank, the information on the bank must also correspond with the name you use to register on this platform. It is very, very imperative. You can't escape this. It must correspond. So whatever you are using here must also correspond with whatever it is on your bank account. It must. If you are using John Benson on your bank account, it must also be the same name on this same platform. It must correspond, because the moment there is a difference in both, your money, your account will be flagged. Your account will be flagged. It's as simple as that. Your account will be flagged. So that's why it's very, very important. Very, very important that you go ahead and use this information to your best advantage. I wish you the best in your journey. I wish you the best in your journey. And don't forget, if you love videos like this, try as much as possible. Subscribe on this platform. Go ahead and in the description, go there. Click on the link to our community, join our community, be a member of the community. It's a growing community. You have a lot to learn from there. You have a lot to share in the long run. A lot will be will be coming up. We have a lot of updates is coming up. So just go ahead and join our community as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video.